Okay, to play Mwana Mwangu Wakura on the Nyunga-Nyunga, we can start with a simple chord pattern. The left thumb is on key 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right thumb is on 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we play them at the same time. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then move the right thumb up. Back down. Then the left thumb out to key 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then the other Mbira pattern is like this. The same notes, but now we just alternate, starting with the right. Together first and then the right.